Hello dear students, welcome back to the CLSKK English Medium CBSE School Chikodi Class 9 Subject Mathematics. So this is for first chapter for this academic year. You are going to study the number system. In the number system, first of all you are going to study the basic definitions. With the basic definition we come to the chapter. So in the number system, since from your previous classes you are started with the first concept, that is whole numbers. Whole numbers, the numbers, these numbers starts with 0 to infinitely. These numbers starts with 0 to infinitely. Such type of numbers are called whole numbers. Example, if you go through this example, if you are having, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. So such type of numbers are called whole numbers. Whole number, these numbers starts with 0 to infinitely, that is number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. Such type of numbers are called as whole numbers. Okay, so next one, and it is denoted by W. It is denoted by capital W. Okay, so this is the definition for whole numbers. So these numbers starts with 0 to infinitely. Example, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity, and it is denoted by W. Okay, so this is the first definition you are going to study. Next one definition you are having as, that is natural numbers. Next definition you are having as natural numbers. Okay, so these numbers starts with 1. These numbers starts with 1 to infinitely. Such type of numbers are called as natural numbers. So numbers starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity, such type of numbers are called natural numbers. So these numbers starts with 1 to infinitely. Such type of numbers are called natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity, and it is denoted by n. It is denoted by n, that is your natural numbers. Okay, this is the definition. These numbers, natural numbers starts with 1 to infinitely. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity. Such type of numbers are called natural numbers, and it is denoted by n. Okay, next definition you are having as integers. That is third definitions you are going to study, that is integers. Okay, integers. So what are integers? So integers, since you are studying since from 2 years, integer, it includes natural numbers and their inverses. Integers, it includes natural numbers. It includes natural numbers and their inverses. This is the definition for integers. The numbers which are positive and negative including 0 are called also integers. It includes natural numbers and the inverses. Example, if you go through the integers, so this here, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are integers, and integers are denoted by Z. that is capital Z. Okay, so integers are denoted by Z. So integers, it includes natural numbers and their inverses. So that is -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So these are called integers. The numbers which are on the left side are called negative integers. The numbers which are on the right side are called positive integers. Okay, so this is the third definition you are going to study in the number system. Next definition you are having as your actual part of your 9th standard, that is a fourth definition, that is a rational numbers. Next one you are going to study the definition of rational numbers. Definition of rational numbers. The numbers expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equals to 0 and P and Q are integers. So the numbers expressed in the form of P by Q. The numbers, very important. The numbers expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q and is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0 and P and Q are integers. So the numbers expressed in the form of P by Q and Q is not equals to 0. And one more thing, P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers here. You have studied the definition of fractions also, it looks like the same, but here there P and Q are natural numbers. Here in the rational number, the numbers expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers, where Q is not equals to 0. So example, if you give, that is 1 by 2, where 2 is not equals to 0. Similarly 3 by 4, where 4 is not equals to 0. Similarly 5 by 6, where 6 is not equals to 0. Here, okay, if you take 1 by 2, where 2 is not equals to 0, 1 and 2 are here integers. 3 by 4, where 4 is not equals to 0, means denominator is not equals to 0. 3 by 4 are integers. 5 and 6 are integer, where 6 is not equals to 0. So rational number, the numbers expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equals to 0, P and Q are integers. Such type of numbers we can say as a rational numbers. Okay. Next we are having the definition of irrational numbers. Next one we are going to study the definition of irrational numbers. So what is the definition of irrational numbers? We are going to study, that is the fifth part, that is irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Definition of irrational numbers. Okay, so we study this in this concept. So all of you can see this fifth one, that is you are having as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. The numbers not expressed in the form of P by Q, the numbers not expressed in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. The numbers not expressed in the form of P by Q are called irrational number, opposite of rational numbers. So this is the definition of irrational numbers. Lastly, irrational numbers example, if you go through this, you can give this as example, that is root 2, root 3, pi. Okay, so these are the examples for irrational numbers. So that is last but least one more, that is the last definition, that is a real numbers. last definition you are going to study, that is real numbers. Real numbers, what do you mean by the real numbers? The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers. The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers on a number line. Is called a real numbers. Real numbers are denoted by R. Okay, so real numbers are denoted by R. So these are some important definition should be known in the number system. So all of you have to note down the definition of number system. First one is whole numbers, second one is natural number, third one is integer, fourth one is rational numbers, fifth one is irrational number, and sixth one, that is a real number. So real numbers, the combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers on a number line is called as a real number. So example you may give, that is real number, that is 3, 4, okay, all. You can give also root 3. It is also a real number. Means we can real numbers, the combination of rational and irrational numbers on a number line is called as a real numbers. So all of you have to note down the definition of the number systems, and all of you have to note down the examples, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number.